Hi, this is Edward Troxel. Welcome to a new tutorial. And in this tutorial, we're going to continue where we left off in the last one. In the last one, we took a bunch of streams and added them as multiple takes. In this one, we're going to change it, and instead of adding them as takes, we're going to just switch to the next stream. And so here is how I've found that we can switch to the next stream. Even though it's not exactly the way I'd like to do it, I couldn't find a direct way to pick the stream, so this technique will work. So let's see how it works. Once again, I have this on the timeline, and if we look down here and we look at streams, we have multiple streams here, and what we want to do is when we run the stream, we want to go from stream 1 to stream 2, then stream 2 to stream 3, and each time we run the script, it will go forward. Of course, naturally, if it's on stream 4, then we want it to go back to stream 1. Let's see how we do that. Here's my script. I'm not going to go through the whole thing today. Here we've got the public my Vegas Vegas and the main, and then my Vegas equals Vegas, but we're going to look at the heart of the routine here. For each track, my track in myvegas.project.tracks, we're going through all the tracks. For each event in my track.events, we're looking at all the track events. If the event is selected, this is the one I want to look at, any selected events. First thing I'm going to do is get the media type, which I called M type, from event.activeTake.mediaStream.mediaType. That way we're only going to look at the type of media that this is. That way if it has video streams and audio streams, we're only going to look at streams of the same type. Take, my take, equals event.activeTake. So we want to get the current take. Then we get the current stream, which is an integer, from mytake.mediastream.index. So we know which stream we're looking at. Now what I've done is I've set me up a couple of variables here that are both media streams. So this is a media stream, and I've set this up to 0 media stream. So this is going to be the first media stream in the file. And I set that equal to null. And then a media stream, next media stream, also equals to null. Now I'm going to go through all of the media streams. For each media stream, ms, in mytake.media.streams, then here I say if the 0 media stream equals null, and the media stream.type equals mtype, then this is my 0 media stream. This is the first one. And the reason I did it this way is there could be streams before this one, and I wasn't sure how the indexes worked. I was assuming that the indexes would apply to all of the streams, and so what I needed to do was make sure that I'm only looking at media streams of the correct type, and the first media stream is the one that's going to be my 0. So the first one that matches this type is the one that I wanted to keep. Now I want to find the next media stream. So if the media stream.index is greater than current stream, if the number is greater than the one I'm looking at, and it is the same type of stream, then that is going to be my next one. So I want to make sure it's greater than the one that I previously had. And then because I have now found it, I'm going to do a break. So that will close out this for each loop. So as soon as we hit this, it will get us out of the for each. But suppose we didn't find a greater media stream. In that case, next media stream is still going to be equal to null. So down here I said that if next media stream equals to null, then we must have hit the end. So I'm going to set next media stream equal to 0 media stream. Now I'm going to create me a new take called new take from new take, and I'm going to get that from next media stream, because that will either be the next one that we found up here, or it will be the 0 one that we found here. Then I'm going to add this as a new take, so event.takes.add new take, just like we did before. But now I'm going to go back and remove the active take. So event.takes.remove, I'm going to remove my take, which is the original take that we had up here. So basically what we've done is add the next stream as a new take, and then we've removed the original take. So let's see how it works. So this is our event right here. We run the script, and now it is on. When we look here, it is on the second stream, and if we look at takes, there is no next take, previous take. There is only the active take. Run it again. Now when we look, we are on stream 3. Run it again. Now when we look, we are on stream 4, and then let's run it one more time. And we look at our streams, and we are back to stream number 1. So this little script will let you switch to the next stream in the video file or audio file, and it will add it as a new take, then remove the previous take, and so you can easily just swap which stream you're looking at very quickly, and by moving to the next stream each time. So I hope you find this tutorial useful. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next tutorial. Please sign up at www.jettv.com and subscribe on YouTube to get further notifications on when new videos are presented.